Want to start investing in stocks with Revolut? In this video I'll show you how to buy stocks step by step. Open the app and log in. Navigate to the Invest section. Here you can explore stocks, check performance charts, and research companies. Use the search bar to find the stock you'd like to buy. Once you've chosen a stock, select the buy option. Make sure you have enough funds in your account. Enter the amount you'd like to invest. Revolut allows fractional shares, so you can invest with as little as $1. From here, choose your order type, a recurring buy, a limit order, at a lower price, or a stop order at a higher price. If you'd like to buy it right now, use a market order. Consider starting small and diversifying your portfolio to spread risk. Always research stocks before buying them. You can do that in the app by looking at the overview, financials, and news. Set up alerts by clicking on the alert icon, which will trigger when a stock hits a certain price. Stock markets have specific trading hours. Transactions made outside these hours might be delayed. And finally, watch out for fees. The standard accounts may have higher fees than the premium ones.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.